Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss with a new heading, that is reactive hypoglycemia. In our clinic, on usual consultation, some of our patients make complaints that they feel very tired, especially after eating, especially females, those who have so many laborious household duties in their home, and usually after their work, if they had food, then only they feel very tired, they wants to sleep, they can't do anything, and at the same time, if they are not having any food, they can work very well. That is why such category of people may not take proper food because of weakness after eating. It's a very uncommon symptom. Hmm? It is known as reactive hypoglycemia. It is a condition of hypoglycemia, especially after 1 or 2 hours after having high carbohydrate food. Here the signs and symptoms are great weakness after food, hungriness after food, then tremor, then anxiety, and increased sweating, and increased heartbeat, headache, etc. can be seen. That means most of the symptoms of hypoglycemia can be seen in patient after having their food, after having their meals. That is the peculiar symptom. Do you think why our patient is having such uncommon nature of symptoms? Or why our patient is having a condition of hypoglycemia after food? Naturally, after food, we must get some energy. We can recover from our energy after food. But contrary to the status, here the patient feels great weakness, great sweating, tremor, wants to lie down, sleepy, cannot do anything. It is because mainly increased release of insulin by an overactive pancreas. That means increased secretion of insulin molecule than needed to maintain the normal blood glucose level. That is overactivation of pancreas. In such condition, let us see how can we manage a patient with a reactive hypoglycemia. If so, we have to advise them to not to have the high glycemic food like a carb or a sweet or bakery or fried or something like that. Food has to be restricted, and advise them to have use the low glycemic food. And while taking the food, it is better to have the food in splitted or divided doses of divided quantity of food. Along with that, advise our patient to have the improve their protein intake. Advise them to avoid sweets or alcohol or caffeine. Advise our patient to have a regular food habit, regular bowel habit, and regular sleep habit. And as far as possible, advise them to have the food either 4 or 6 splitted divided dose. We have to advise them to complete abstinence of alcohol and advise them to have the regular or correct timing for medicines as well as food, and advise them to keep a very diabetic ID card and glucose value whenever you or wherever you go. And we can prevent such a unexpected reactive hypoglycemia only by doing regular checkup and by avoiding the fasting or feasting. Both fasting and feasting has to be controlled. Advise them to not to drive their vehicles, especially in such hypoglycemic possible situations. By regular screening, regular checkup, and regular medication that can control the unexpected situations of reactive hypoglycemia. If we fail to control the same, automatically our patient will become severe diabetic one. It's also a condition like that of a pre-diabetic manifestations. Okay. I think next we can study in the another class. Okay. Bye.